Yes, sir. I know. I said no more Yeezy products from Adidas because Kanye didn't want us to get them. But I had to make sure this gray measured up to that same material that we got from Adidas and Yeezy. Hit the B-roll. Let me put this down. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I know it's been about a week. Allergies was killing me, man. But yeah, the Travis Scotts, I got them. The Futura Dunks. Y'all know what I do with Dunks, man. But I don't know if I should do the review. It's been a week, but maybe I'll still do the review. I don't know. But today, we're here to talk about Adidas and Yeezy. Adidas dropping all they stock. Today was part 2 of it. The last one, I went and got the Yeezy slides in that slate gray colorway. This was ones I didn't bite on when they first dropped, and I really wanted them. So I said, I'm sorry, Kanye. I had to go see them, man. And on first look out the box, the packaging is eerily similar. You even get the little tag that usually hangs on the Adidas sneaker, Yeezy sneaker. So everything measured up, man. But these slate joints, I like them, man. So we're going to get into a full in-depth review of this right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So, am I right? These are the slides in the slate gray that just came in the Yeezy Restock. On my left, this is the electro green colorway that dropped when Kanye and Adidas was on good terms. So nothing's changed with the box. Like I told y'all, everything's the same. They both say slide on the bottom. Got the Adidas logo on the side. Nothing's changed, not even the tags. Still got that pull out, just like the Jordan 11s come in or made famous. Brown tissue paper wrap. And here go the tag I was telling you guys about that you usually get on a sneaker. So you still get that Yeezy slide tag also. It reads Yeezy Slide Original with the ID number and the sizing. And here's the left foot of the Yeezy Slide Slate Gray. I believe it's Slate Gray, not just gray. So you get that same comfortable material, guys. Like, it's still there, guys. That has not changed. You get the sizing stick on here that you know is going to come off ASAP. Made in China, size 10. But the Yeezy slides, man, is really funny with sizing. I'm going to do a video in a couple days on the Salih Bembury sizing because that sizing is out of control too. But I went OG when it comes to Yeezy slides. So like I wear 10 and a half, 11 in sneakers. So when it comes to slides, I usually just get a 10. And it fits perfect. So I would say go true to size what you do with slides. Over time, it gets more comfortable anyway. The material starts forming to your feet. So with sizing, I would say just go true to size. So there go the Adidas logo there embedded. The bottom, you usually have nothing but this little circle part. I guess this is where the material connects. And I guess that's Boost technology. I never really knew, but these are some comfortable slides, guys. That was the left. This is the right. You get stickers on both sides, guys. So keep that in mind. Both sides have a sticker with the sizing in it. And if you've seen one Yeezy slide, you've seen them all. But let's bring in the orange. So now side by side, you can see, guys, everything adds up. Of course, the sticker's off because I wore them a lot. But yeah, man, everything adds up from left to right on both colorways. even the green. Yes, sir. So as I stated before, way before Kanye and Adidas contract situation got rocky, I got rid of almost every Yeezy I owned, man. I felt like them 350s were coming out too much. At one point, I owned over 100 pairs. I'm talking V2, V3. I had so many Yeezys. I only kept these joints here because Wave Runners is Dad's shoe of the year. I know New Balance is coming back big. Asics is coming back big. But these popped it off, guys. These popped off. Even some Balenciaga look. So these would never, ever leave my collection. And the official OG Pirate Bay joints. As you can see here. You see that Yeezy? You see that? You see that? You don't get that no more, man. So the OGs, these were the only ones besides the slides stayed in my collection. But far as these, man, the slate gray, they're pretty, man. The electro green is still one of my favorite colorways. I mean, I drive a Wrangler this color, so that's why it's like one of my favorite colorways. But the gray, man, this is a nice look, man. Nice look. Let me know what you copped out of that Yeezy drop confirmed joint. I know a lot of y'all had some grails that y'all couldn't get your hands on because when Yeezy was hot, he was hot. So, I mean, buy what you want. Kanye says he don't want you to buy it, but if you really was in love with that sneaker and you know you couldn't get your hands on it back in the day, go get them, man. But just me, if someone tell me they don't want us rocking something or buying something that they ain't put their official stamp on it, I'm just not doing it. But slides, I hope I get a pass. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.